rope? What's a rope gonna do? I can throw that rope. It'll go like right there.
Soy! Don't worry, we got life jackets on. Boom. Whoa, hey. Oh god. Okay, we got life jackets on. Not everyone. Oh no.
Oh, her? Guys, don't worry, she was just falling. Probably float or drown. Yeah, one of those two, but it's fine.
I don't know how you drown. I mean, you float.
She can't swim.
Yeah, she can only take a breath in.
I don't know how.
I think she's scared of the water.
No.
Oh, she is.
I saw her on the surfboard
She was out
thing.
farther than you earlier. I can swim now. I can swim all the way back until I die. Why not?
Yeah, you're gonna have to have a little engine. You have to sit on a little seat with an engine on the back. Take the float. Not the floaty.
The buoy.
Yeah.
I can take that straight there. And I'll be able to
Put a little
I'll be
motor.
on the bottom.
Right there.
I'll be up.
Yeah. Be gone.
Got a little paddle behind you. You will paddle me back.
What paddle?
Get on this.
Yeah.
You are.
Oh. Candy's. No,
I'll be on the top.
Candy's paddle is
I'll be on the
one.
top. You will be in the back. Paddle home.
Hey. $1, really? You suck. More like 100.
100? You ate a worm for $5.
So, what you do? It's easy to eat a worm for $5.
Yeah, he didn't even
Worth
chew
it. Don't have. He never said anything.
You don't gotta chew the water and jump in there. This is the house of RV.
Yeah, not
The thing is, I have a phone on me, and I'm not gonna leave my phone on.
You're hoping. That's not on you. Where are they gonna go then? I had
Awesome.
I'll hold it for you.
No.
I got it. Did I take better around this place?
No.
Wow.
How many phones have you been through?
Guys, come on. Let's have to be possible.
Probably on purpose. Yeah, promise. You can see them. Yeah, you can see them.
Are you joking there?
Yeah. Woo! They're hitting me with sunflower seeds. Only brats do that. Oh yeah. Oh wow, I wasn't even pointing at it. Smile and wave, boys! Smile and wave!
We'll be back. I don't know what they're doing. Thanks for hitting behind the here. Build their house.
Go fish. Get that fish.
Where did it get him?
Oh, there's people clear over there. Hi. Why? It went over.
I want to throw Connor overboard right now.
Walk the plank, it's right there. No, it's over there.
Okay, let's do it.
Forgot where I was for a second. This guy has been just stalking us. Literally. It's a guy. It's a guy. Yeah. Wait. Oh, we got in. Thought I could hit around. Oh, it keeps getting in. Oh, right in the nose. What you laughing at? You got hit too. Go slow, go slow, go slow.
Nice airplane. Justin Bieber.
About that golf.
Not.
Hey.
No.
Yep.
I hate him.
You probably listen to his music.
I just do this to keep it on my
You probably listen to
eyes.
his music all the time.
No. The only music that I listened to by him was it was the one by Dan and Shay, which
That's even worse. Dan and Shay.
Is that the new one?
I bet you're the worst.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You probably listen to Florida Georgia Line. Yeah, you do.
I bet you listen.
Oh yeah? I don't even know what that is.
No.
No, I don't. I don't.
Oh, there's a fire! Oh my gosh, everybody, get the fire hose! Oh, sorry. What fire? Woo! Candy, smile and wave.
You didn't deny it.
Nah. Hey, we got more people.
Help us throw him overboard!
Yeah. I've already went through 3. Well, we've been on here for about 45 minutes. I can only record for 15. About 45 minutes. This is my 3rd one.
How many minutes did you say?
9:25. I said about 45. Because then I have another 4 minutes. Plus another 4. Because I accidentally ended it. So.
You're zoomed in on your mouth. You're not in with your mouth. That's only your mouth. Oh, that's better. So half your video you know.
No.
Yeah.
See, remember? You made us wait last time.
He'll edit it out.
Head straight back, so just hang on.
No.
Maybe a little cold ride home.
What?
Oh, you want to go that way? You're cold.
I'm not going. I'm fine.
Well, continuing to part 4 thing. Yeah. Continuing 4.